Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Terry in Kentucky on his Galaxy DX98 VHP. Terry, you purchased a new radio from us and wanted me to go through and truckerize it, get it up to par, and we've done just that. I'm going to show you what we got. The RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug going forward, 1-watt carrier, 1X position, 100-watt slug going forward, about 58 watts all the way up. We'll turn it back down. We're going to have to go to the 5X position here, so we're reading the 500-watt scale. At 30 is 300, the middle mark is 250. Hello, audio. Hello. A good 275 right there for you, Terry. Alrighty, Terry, she's ready to go. Gonna stay right here in the Bluegrass State. I thank you very much. Truck CB Sales at gmail.com. Bump bump.